let's begin. Again, in a rice cooker, add 1 liter of water and then 1 pack of Miguelitos Instant Ube Halaya mix. Pour it down. And then 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. And lastly, 1/2 cup of sugar. So now let's start mixing. We're using a spatula this time because this is going to be really thick. Make sure to mix it properly until the lumps are gone. So just keep on mixing and mixing and mixing. It may take 5 to 10 minutes until you reach the right thickness for the Ube Halaya, so we have to really be patient about this. Once you've reached the right consistency, set it aside.